Hello everyone, what's up guys? Today in this video I will tell you how you can create photos or videos like this. So let's begin. So I will open my Capcut. So my Capcut is already opened, so you have to insert videos or photos which one you will like. So I will click on first one. So here you can see the photos are very raw, so there is no effect, no other work. So I will apply effects on them. So click on first effect, style, and then here are few styles. A few are pro and a few styles are free. So I will apply 3D zoom first. So effect has been almost applied. Oh, first effect has been applied. As you can see, it's very smoothly, very beautiful. So I will apply on second one. So here you can add this effect. I will click on this and my effect has been almost applied. So here you can see, wow, absolute stunning. So and then you have to click on second one. Hope you got it. Thanks for watching.